I think that's a really bad idea what's going on with you guys taking that tanker and bringing it into deeper water. I think that when a tanker that has that much chemicals catches fire like that, I know it's a big risk, but it should be towed into shore. I'm going to tell you why right now, and you're not going to believe what I'm going to say, but here's what it is. When you take that ship out there, it's still fully loaded with all those chemicals, and if a good storm comes in and breaks open that nitric acid and that nitrates inside of there, because you said there was 15,000 50-gallon barrels of it, and that stuff starts opening up in the water and then pouring onto their beaches, especially if it happens during something like a hurricane or high tide or some type of push in, we could see those chemicals inundating the people and the people's water supply and destroying everything in the area. By pushing it deeper into the water and hiding it under the water, we're not actually ending the problem. We could be causing a bigger problem. The idea of salvage isn't to hide it. Those are very, very, very dangerous chemicals, and the long term effects of releasing dangerous chemicals into the ocean is unknown at this time. Things like this on the ocean, massive amounts of chemicals, massive amounts of gas, propane, whatever else we're moving out there. The idea that it can just be thrown away into the ocean is a ridiculous idea. It's like saying that we can just take all of our trash, ball it up, and throw it into the sun. The consequences of it are immense. We need to understand that the products that we make and that we ship, if we really don't need them and we can just throw them away, we shouldn't be shipping them. And that's what you just did. You just took a giant ship, allowed it to burn, and then pulled it away from the shore, threw it in the ocean, and now everyone over there is going to suffer terribly bad. And we don't know what happens if that chemical gets open and gets into the rip currents there and starts getting into other people's fish. We have enough problems with mutations already. The Japanese are dealing with some serious counts that are low for their semen factors for their males due to what happened in World War II. We cannot afford to have populations of people losing the ability to breed because we're poisoning them with chemicals. It's not the right thing to do.